Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to use file compression tools. This tools is used to compress a file so that you can save a space in your storage in your Windows. So the first tool is PKZip. Click the PKZip application. As you can see here, there is empty. So you need to choose a file. So click the file here and then add a file that you want to compress, such as this one. Click OK, then click Save and done. Here I place the compressed file in desktop. So the second tool is WinZip. Click the WinZip application. So as you can see here, this is empty zip file. So you need to choose a file from your storage, such as PC, desktop, and click the file that you want to compress, such as this file, and click Add to Zip, and then done. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.